what's up guys? Welcome to Wealth with Rob channel. I'm Rob Reese, and I'm here to guide you through the world of affiliate marketing. This channel is dedicated to helping you make money with info products and software. On this channel, you'll find actionable tips, proven strategies, and honest reviews designed specifically for new affiliate marketers. Now, whether you're just starting or looking to level up, I'm here to help you succeed. Here's what you can expect from the Wealth with Rob channel. Weekly tutorials to help you make money on social media, content generation strategies, traffic generation tips, and even how to build your email list for free. Plus, I'll be reviewing the latest and greatest affiliate info products and software. This channel is going to be different because I want to help you. Expect practical, no-nonsense advice that is easy to follow. Listen, I've been in your shoes, and I'm here to guide you step by step through your entire affiliate marketing journey. Now, if you're ready to start making money with affiliate marketing, hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you never miss out on a video. Don't forget to check out my description where you'll get some free resources and access to my free newsletter. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to get started with the tips and tricks and strategies to help you succeed. Also, stay tuned for my first review video back on this channel.